Behold, a Ford Escape. And we're taking off the door panel in search of a GPS, which we know is not in here, by the way. We gotta pop this guy up. This guy, let's put him back. Let's put him back. We can try to. But one arm. There you go. Come on. So I took this off, didn't need to. That's just a trim plate. Do not do this. You have to get up under the actual handle itself. So you can start with this guy, prime up this way. These clips clip into those clips right there. So you pop up, pop this guy up and out. See that? But first, we got two 7mm. Another 7mm behind this trap door, which we only use to get this guy right in between the handle. Pop them out of the way. And then there's a fourth one right under there. So let's get these guys out and show you how to take the door panel off. And of course it's Ford. And there's another hidden one right here behind this wonderful reflector. Use this guy, get him out. Just in between the crack. So, let's see if she'll come off. Let's play. Alright, so after unplugging the switch and pulling really, really hard, unplug these guys. Only 3 of them. I'll push. I got up under, right here in the center, right where that screw was. Where that screw was? With this puppy. Put up underneath and just pulled. And the whole panel just popped in my hand. So, let's see what else is holding us in. We have more. Ooh, I know how to do these. You ready for these? Check this out. You squeeze this one out towards you, it pops right out. You see? Focus, focus. There you go. That's what that is. And it clips inward and snaps in down. Another little plug for the lock and unlock, and there you have it. Now, door mirror. Let's do this. Put this guy back because this one stayed in the door. Gotta take this little cover off. And of course, it's Ford and it doesn't have to cooperate very well. So this cover stays right here. So we gotta pop this guy out. And we have one. Sure, I can get him out. Grab a hold and you twist and pry and twist. Are you gonna play nice? Come on, play nice. There you go. Torx. Plug. Let's see what it is. We are T30s. Let's put it on our drill and get them out, see if it's the proper way to do it. It most definitely is. So we got 1, 2, and 3 out. Now, pull from the bottom. You're grabbing the mirror and you're weaseling her out because this lip tucks up under. See that? You got that one little plug. And that push pin that holds it all in place. So, put it back and say, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.